Good morning, all of you. I'm Amol Deshmukh, your math teacher. Exercise 3.3 from R.D. Sharma. Question number 19. 2 by x plus 5 by y equal to 1 and 60 by x plus 40 by y is equal to 19. We have to solve these two linear equations. So these two equations are not in the standard form. First we have to make these two equations in the standard form. So 2 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 1. This means that 2 by x means 2 into 1 by x and 5 by y means 5 into 1 by y. Same 60 by x means 60 into 1 by x plus 40 into 1 by y. It is equal to 19. So common part of both equation here 1 by x and 1 by y. So put common part equal to common part 1 by x is equal to m. Put 1 by x is equal to m and 1 by y it is equal to n. So first equation becomes, this is 2 by x means 2 into 1 by x and 1 by x is equal to m. So it becomes 2m plus 5 by y means 5 into 1 by y and 1 by y is equal to n. So it becomes 5n is equal to 1. Write this as equation number 1. Similarly 60 by x means 60 into 1 by x and 1 by x is equal to m. So it becomes 60m plus 40 by y means 40 into 1 by y and 1 by y is equal to n. So it is 40n is equal to 19. Write this as equation number 2. Again we have to solve these two linear equations by substitution method. So here in equation number 1, one equation is very easy. So from equation number 1, find the value of variable find the value of variable n in terms of m. So here from 1, 2m plus 5n is equal to 1. Therefore 5n is equal to 1 minus 2m. Therefore n is equal to 1 minus 2m divided by 5. Write this as equation number 4. So we are finding the value of n from equation number 1. So use this value in equation number 2. So put n is equal to 1 minus 2m by 5 in equation number 2. Or put n is equal to 1 minus 2m by 5 in equation number 2. Therefore it becomes 60m plus 40 and the value of n is 1 minus 2m by 5. So replace this n by 1 minus 2m by 5 and it is equal to 19. It is equal to 19. Here this 40 is divisible by 5. 5 8s are 40. So it becomes 60m plus 8 in bracket 1 minus 2m is equal to 19. 5 8s are 40. So multiply 8 to this bracket. 8 into 1 8. 8 2s are 16m. It is equal to 19. Here the like terms are 60m and 16m. So 60m minus 16m, that is equal to 44m plus 8, it is equal to 19. Therefore 44m is equal to 19 minus 8. Therefore 44m is equal to 19 minus 8, 11. Therefore m is equal to 11 by 44. Therefore m is equal to 1 by 4. 11 4s are 44. Put the value of m is equal to 1 by 4 either in equation 1, 2 or equation 3. Here the equation number 3 is here, but equation 1 is very easy. So put m is equal to 1 by 4 in equation 1. So equation 1 is 2m plus 5n is equal to 1. So put m is equal to 1 by 4 in equation 1. 2m plus 5n is equal to 1. So it becomes 2 into 1 by 4 plus 5n is equal to 1. So 2 to the 4. So 1 by 2 plus 5n is equal to 1. Therefore 5n is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. here 5n is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. So 5n is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 means it is 1 by 2. So n is equal to 1 by 2 into 5. So n is equal to 1 by 10. But our problem is in x and y, so we have to find the values of x and y. But 1 by x is equal to m, here 1 by x is equal to m and 1 by y is equal to n. So right here 1 by x is equal to m. Therefore 1 by x is equal to value of m is 1 by 4. So 1 by x is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore x is equal to 4. And 1 by y is equal to n and the value of n is 1 by 10. So 1 by y is equal to 1 by 10. Therefore y is equal to 10. Therefore the solution of equation is 4, 10. Homework question number 15 to question number 24 are of the same type. Try to solve these examples.